Overcrowding and poor conditions at the Big Island's largest jail is resulting in the release of some inmates. The judiciary is calling the situation critical. Chrissy Tamashiro is getting answers.
The Hawaii Community Correctional Facility is situated in the heart of downtown Hilo and is designed to hold 206 inmates, but is currently over capacity at 295, making it the most overcrowded jail in the state.
HCCC, for sure, I think, has been the worst facility that I've seen.
The Hawaii Correctional System Oversight Commission took a tour of HCCC last week and saw the state of the facility firsthand.
Currently, the women are already housed inappropriately. You know, they're being housed in dry cells, meaning no toilet, no sink. They're being housed in areas that, you know, literally may have a sign that says storage on the door, you know, so you know that that was never meant to be a cell.
Unlike the Oahu Community Correctional Center, HCCC doesn't have a mental health module, so inmates who need treatment get sent off island. The Hawaii County Prosecutor's Office says the conditions are so poor, it's playing a factor in some judges' decisions.
Oftentimes, judges will release persons who have been charged with criminal offenses because of concerns and justifications based on the limitations or the over-occupancy at HCCC. That does not promote trust and confidence in our criminal justice system.
Third Circuit Court Chief Judge Robert Kim said in a statement, the conditions are not acceptable and the courts are painfully aware of the need for a comprehensive plan to alleviate the overcrowding. The situation is dire when compounded with a complete lack of mental health diversion for mental health inmates on the Big Island.
We're doing the best we can to manage the population. The judiciary is assisting as they can, and I should say that before an inmate is released or a pretrial defendant is released, there is an assessment process for risk and needs that's done by the courts and by our intake service center.
The Department of Public Safety says plans are being discussed about a new Kona facility to help overcrowding on Hawaii Island. DPS says construction of a new 48-bed module is expected to be done next year. It's also looking for funding to relocate HCCC altogether.
We're all growing that facility, so ideally at some point we need to look at relocating and building a more modern, efficient facility where we can have programs and services.
Chrissy Tamashiro, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.